Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a flower blooming video. First, select a healthy flower bud that is ready to open. Next, set up your camera on a very stable tripod to ensure consistent framing throughout the entire process. It is crucial to have adequate and consistent lighting, perhaps from a soft, natural source. Finally, choose a plain background to keep all the viewers' focus entirely on the beautiful flower as it slowly unfurls. This careful preparation is key. Now let's talk camera settings. Always use manual mode to maintain consistent exposure and white balance, preventing distracting flickers. Set a narrow aperture, such as f/8 or f/11, to ensure your flower remains sharply in focus as it grows. The interval between shots is critical. It depends on how quickly your flower blooms. A good starting point is one shot every 5 to 10 minutes, but you might adjust this for faster or slower blooms. For long recording sessions, power your camera with an AC adapter. Batteries will likely run out. Use a remote shutter release or an intervalometer to trigger each shot without touching the camera, preventing any accidental movement. It's important to monitor the flower's progress periodically and make minor adjustments to your setup if absolutely necessary. Most importantly, ensure the flower remains completely undisturbed throughout the entire blooming process for the best results. Finally, it's time for post-production. Import all your captured images into your preferred video editing software. Sequence these individual images into a continuous time-lapse clip, bringing the bloom to life. Adjust the playback speed to effectively showcase the flower's transformation, making it neither too fast nor too slow. To enhance the viewing experience, consider adding a gentle, unobtrusive background music track. This final polish will make your blooming video truly captivating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.